It's a 2008 Honda Odyssey. It's about bringing family together, staying connected along the way, and giving you that sense of home no matter where your journey takes you. And it comes with all the amenities you need. Power sliding left and right rear passenger door, front heated leather bucket seats, entertainment system with DVD, auto dimming rear view mirror, AM FM XM satellite radio, multifunction steering wheel, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, power sliding and tilting sunroof, and power heated mirrors. Car and Driver reports sheet metal now appears shrink-wrapped indeed. Panel gaps have been reduced by up to 1.5 millimeters, giving the Odyssey an athletic stance that is emphasized by a tauter rear end and a sportier front fascia with dual projector beam headlights. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. Take it for a test drive today.
Our online price quotes make sure if you're buying Honda, you've got our best price right up front. BartlesvilleHonda.com, the website of Honda of Bartlesville.